Have you ever wanted to give your Canva design a creative spin? Literally. In today's video, I'll show you how to rotate an image by specific degrees in Canva. Whether you're adjusting an image for better alignment or adding an artistic twist, mastering this simple tool can make your designs look clean, professional, and visually balanced. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva and sign into your account. Once you're on your workspace, open the project that contains the image you want to rotate. Click on the image directly. This will highlight it with a border or outline, letting you know it's selected and ready to edit. Now, here's where the magic happens. Look closely and you'll see a circular arrow icon just below or beside the image. This is your rotate tool. Click and hold that icon, then drag your mouse left or right to rotate the image. You'll notice that as you move, a small degree number appears on screen. This real-time indicator helps you rotate the image with precision, whether you want a subtle 15-degree tilt, a perfect 90-degree turn, or a complete 180-degree flip. If you're aiming for exact measurements, this feature is incredibly useful. For instance, rotating by 45 degrees can help you create modern, angled layouts, while 180 degrees works great for mirrored effects. Canva makes it intuitive and responsive, so you can easily find the perfect angle that fits your vision. As you rotate, take a moment to check the overall composition of your design. A slight tilt might bring energy to your layout, while a perfectly straight alignment can keep things looking clean and professional. Play around with it. Sometimes small adjustments can dramatically improve the visual flow of your project. And that's it. You've just learned how to rotate images by degrees in Canva. It's a simple technique, but one that can make a big difference in how polished your designs look. The more you experiment, the more you'll see how rotating images can add depth, creativity, and balance to your work. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Canva tips and tricks. Keep exploring, keep designing, and most importantly, have fun creating.